Hello, children.
This week, our sight words are was. He was very tired. He was very tired. He was very tired. Was. Our next sight word is will. Will. They will become friends. They will become friends. They will become friends. Will. Our next sight word is bean. Bean. They've been playing together. They've been playing together. They've been playing together. Bean. Our final sight word is first. First. They will come in first. They will come in first. They will come in first. First.
These are all our sight words for this week. Why don't you see if you can make sentences of your own using these words? Have fun and have a great week.